I'm standing underneath a catalpa tree planted in around 1990. It's grown very quickly, as catalpas do, but it's suffering. Catalpas have quite hollow stems and they're very prone to having their branches blown off and blown out in the winter. So an early spring job is to have a look at this catalpa, which has had 2 branches collapse in gales, and we've got these rather unsightly half branches hanging down, which we need to tidy up. We're very happy to see some new growth coming where other branches are split out in the past, and there's nothing to say there won't be more split outs in the future, but frankly this tree needs tidying up. You can see that where the branch has split, the bark is trying to heal itself, but the scar is, I'm afraid, too large for it to be able to do so. But at least the tree is trying. This is actually Catalpa erubescens purpurea, which is probably a slightly smaller growing species than Catalpa bignanoides, but its habit is much the same: long trailing branches which are just asking to split out and look messy. And anyone who's had to deal with a catalpa in their gardens will know exactly what we mean, and it just needs a quick tidy up, which Michael is now going to do.